Hello, everybody. I want to update you with a couple of new features from Google Gemini Notebook LM. Since our session back in October 2025, which was about a month ago, uh, Gemini Notebook LM added a couple of new, very exciting features for educators. Um, so let me just quickly go over what we talked about really quickly to introduce you what Notebook LM is. Here on the left side, this is where you put the sources. In this case, I uploaded this PDF file that's about 50, 60 page long document that I just uh, added here. So it is one single source that is selected. So whatever that I do with the chat and also the studio items will be referencing to that document. And then we have this chat window, so I can ask questions and I can even build up more sources and put it into sources. And then most exciting part of the day is the studio column. So we actually talked about video overview, and you can customize it by clicking on that, and then you can select the format. You can select different languages and also some styles. So you can choose these styles, and then you can specify any particular focuses or certain description of how things to be discussed and so on. So you can add that kind of request here. And let me just go ahead and play that. This is a video overview.
Hey everyone. You know, the world of healthcare is changing at lightning speed, and that's creating a massive challenge. We just don't have enough skilled professionals.
And
today we're going to dive into the data and see what it really takes to build
graphical images here.
Training programs.
So this
and look
is
at
quite stunning. And
so
this is in a way kind of a
so
quick
let's bring this all
preview of what I'm about to introduce you. Let me just expand here a little bit. So the first thing is the infographics. So you can, again, customize it, select the language and any kind of a description, and also orientation, landscape, square, portrait, and so on. And then after a little while, you get to see something like this. So that, again, is coming from that document that I selected. So that's that. And these wordings and spelling and the actual numbers, these figures are actually quite accurate. So Google somehow, the Gemini still somehow figured it out how to put logic through graphical logic and reasoning into generating images. So that is quite an accomplishment, but somehow they did it. So this is 1,000 times better than Gemini 2.5 or Notebook along the line. So let me just go back really quickly. And so you can obviously share like that. And you can see the prompt. This is the prompt that I put it in there. So basically, I requested the user Lego blocks for the design concepts. And you can download it as a image file. You can put it into PowerPoint or Canvas and anything you want to share with. And then the next one is, I would say, almost like one of the holy grails of AI for education, which is a slide deck. You can create a slide deck. Again, you can use the customization option, and you can choose the language, the format, and then any kind of a specific request or focuses and things like that. And then after a moment, you'll have slides. Again, you can see a lot of quite impressive graphics and color coordination, themes. So, and also the key thing is these numbers and the words, phrases, they are accurate. Again, so somehow Gemini 3, which was launched less than a week ago, has this reasoning model that is beyond just text, but actual images that enable it to create this amazing graphics and so on. So let me just go ahead and run it, and you can see the whole slide. And again, these are accurate. Okay, so you may wonder, okay, so I get it, and how do I share it? Obviously, you can go ahead and click on share and then create, copy the slides, the URL, and then you can put it into Canvas and so on. You can see the prompts here. So I said focus on how to best educate the future workforce. So that's very simple, nothing fancy. And then you can also download it. So you can download it. Once you download it, you'll get a PDF in the presentation in PDF format. So as of today, which is November 22nd, it does not have the option to download it in Google Slide format, which I suspect it's coming, but is still not here. Because I'm saying this because this feature got launched just a few days ago. So they're still, in a way, kind of perfecting it. So now you may wonder, how can I still edit it? So here's how you do it. So I Google searched it, and how do I convert PDF slides, which is what I have from NotebookLM. I downloaded to my computer. And then how do I convert it into Google Slides? And it says you cannot do that as of today unless you want to convert it into image, which is not necessarily the best way. So, but here's a two-step method, which is you can convert into PowerPoint from PDF. And then once you have the PowerPoint, then you can export it into Google Slides if you need to. So I just go ahead and click on Adobe's online converter, convert from PDF to PowerPoint. And so this is the web page that I can just drag and drop the PowerPoint, PDF file. And then I get the PowerPoint. So this is a PowerPoint, and I can edit it. I can actually run this slideshow from PowerPoint. So you can still edit it and even export it into Google Slides if you need to. So this is a quick catch up of what's been happening within last a month or maybe even less than a month. So all these changes or new features got added. So this is a great reminder to just come back, and if you did not see what you wanted, but it makes sense to have it, you may actually see it. So come back to NotebookLM whenever you can and find something new. All right, thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.